All right, good morning, you guys. We are blessed to have Bob and Sandy. Well, actually, I should let them introduce themselves. Huh? Yeah, forget I said that. Guess who's here?
Sandy.
And Bob Stradford.
From
Kansas City.
Kansas City, Missouri.
Home of the Chiefs.
Yeah, they just had a big game.
Yeah, they did.
It was a big one.
So Bob and Sandy were our partners for the Christmas sign exchange, and we sent them theirs, but they delivered ours. So
Crazy.
crazy.
Yeah. And they just got there, so you guys probably, by the time you see this, they have already probably posted. Anyway, we made that table, you guys know that. So, and it got there just before you guys were getting on the plane to come out
5
here.
minutes.
Yeah,
Wow.
crazy.
The video's fast.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay,
so now we get to open ours.
open.
So let Vicky do hers.
I used to collect that stuff, but I don't do it. Oh, goodness.
That's the whole thing right there.
Bubbles! It's like that popping bubble.
We'll take those in and Sherlock will play with them.
Yeah.
He likes that stuff.
We would let Sherlock out in here, but he would be just...
It would be way too crowded with him.
The Grinch. I love the
my
Grinch.
gosh.
That was the best sign we ever did. The first one we did was
Grinchy
the Grinch.
Claus. Look at that.
Wow, you did
love
a
it.
great job.
Oh my gosh. That is cool.
Look,
That is so cool.
that's awesome. Wow, you did a great job. Holy moly.
Beautiful work.
Now, do
Very
you
nice.
use the Cricut vinyl?
I don't use the Cricut vinyl. I've got two 30-inch plotters.
Right.
Oh,
When I
okay.
had my sign shop. So
Gotcha.
right now I'm getting rid of some old vinyl, so it's
Wow.
a little thicker than Cricut stuff, but it's
Yeah.
same basic.
Wow, that's awesome.
Wow,
Thank you
that
so
is-
Sandy did
much.
the paint.
Nice work. Look at
Look at
that.
those
Holding a
straight
pretty good
lines.
line with that. So you're using like an 1/8-inch spiral, or or just a straight
This
flat
one,
bottom?
This one I did a carving liner.
How cute.
That's a carving liner.
Yeah.
Really?
It's not your carving liner, but it's
Because it looks almost straight up and down. It doesn't look like it has much of an angle to it.
yeah. There's not
But
much on that
man,
line.
you're holding a good line with that router,
That's going
dude.
in my office all year long.
Yeah, that is cool. All right.
And now this one
So,
is Mr. Eric.
Mr. X. You guys indicate.
And I hope I hit it on the mark.
well, I'm sure.
I have a feeling I did, but
So you guys are staying in Vegas, and last night you were in Laughlin,
yeah,
but now you're going to Vegas from here then?
yeah.
Okay.
And then tomorrow we're gonna head back.
Wow, that's fast.
Flying back out tomorrow.
Well, we were supposed to be here Sunday,
Well,
but
that's true. Had to go to the game.
yeah,
Had to do
we got
it.
invited to the game, so that's the thing. There's a little bit of packing.
Yeah, you're kidding. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Check that out.
oh my gosh, that is
Wow.
gorgeous. Missing our fishing. That's you and your dad.
Wow.
Oh, that's
Oh my
awesome.
gosh. That's amazing.
That's cedar,
I'm
right?
sorry. I'm sorry. I got to show it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my Lord. That is gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
I love it. Awesome. Thank you, guys. That is amazing.
Love you,
Oh,
Missing our
buddy.
fishing.
absolutely stunning. Wow. Look at that. I love it. I absolutely adore it.
All right, where are we gonna put it?
I'll put it in my office, up on the wall in my office. Wow. Very cool. Awesome, man. I love it. Absolutely love it.
It definitely meant a lot making it.
And it means a lot. It does mean a lot. Beautiful work. And look at that board.
I
That
love
light
cedar.
edge.
Love it.
My gosh, that's gorgeous. So what kind of finish is that? Is that the Halcyon?
This is actually Rust-Oleum 2 times.
Oh,
Oh,
just a
really?
spray can.
Clear.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, that stuff really is a good finish, man.
Yeah.
And they say it's exterior.
Yeah, and I don't know. There's a can and a half.
Yeah.
I don't know how many coats there is.
Right. Yeah.
And I actually had some issues because where some of these were, the first 8 or 9 coats, it looked dry.
Just soaks in.
Soaked in.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
And
Yep.
so I was having thoughts of, do I try and sand it? Do I not try and sand it? And I called Frank, and Frank's kind of my go-to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I throw everything at him, and he said, put some 320. I said, well, I got some 400. He said, do a light touch and hit it again. And I did, and it just,
Yep.
it really
That
came
is
Yeah,
alive.
so on some boards, that's the thing.
look at
Some
all
boards
that.
are really porous, right? Like right in this area. Some boards are really porous,
Yeah,
and
this
they
whole
just
area
it
was
just
porous.
it soaks in like a sponge. You just got to keep putting coats
That
on,
is beautiful.
and eventually it'll build up. And that is so cool. So how'd you do the artwork on this?
That's with stencils too. This whole thing, I put one big layout on it.
Really?
I do it all on the computer, and then when I put the vinyl, because I do it kind of opposite. I mean, you guys have seen the video.
Yeah,
I route with the stencil on there.
with the stencil on there.
As soon
Yeah.
as it's done, I paint it, peel the stencil off, and clear it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't do any more
A lot
sanding
saves a
at
lot
all.
on sanding, yeah.
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 Wow.
Um,
You guys knocked it out of the park.
That is awesome.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
Very, very.
and this was
Gorgeous.
all carving liner and profile.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
There's,
I like that. I like the background there. Everything's kind of
and I
goes-
tried to do different transitions, like circles here and
and more
So this looks
vertical
like
stuff
trees,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, it has that
texture of
vertical look
trees.
to it, and then went back to the circular motion on here.
It's beautiful.
Wow, amazing,
Well,
fantastic.
I was so torn on what to do for you, and then when we talked on the phone, because I hit several things to ask you about the
Yeah,
fishing and
right.
the cars and
Yeah.
the other stuff.
I remember.
And that night I went to bed, and I woke up in like 3 o'clock in the morning at the time you're normally getting up. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do something with him and his dad fishing,
Yeah.
missing our fishing. And then the next at 8 or 9
Gosh.
o'clock when I woke back up, you did the video on wishing I was fishing.
Oh, really?
that-
So it
oh
was
my gosh.
confirmation
Yeah.
that I need to do the missing.
That's, you know
Wow.
what? That's we need
That
to
was
put that
pretty
in
good
the spare
timing.
bedroom with that wishing I was fishing down below.
That's true. Could do it in there.
So
yeah.
I even went back and looked at the way you did the lettering on. You just did it the missing instead of putting the G on.
Yeah,
it. So
yeah, yeah.
I was like,
That's
let me just,
awesome.
Amazing. Great
Beautiful.
job, you guys.
Thank you guys so much.
And you guys came all the way out from Kansas City just to deliver these.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Crazy people.
Yes.
Some days,
Wow.
some days we
Yeah.
are.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
But it was
That's
it's,
amazing.
You know, meeting you guys in Colorado and then meeting Frank and meeting Henry and a bunch of the other.
Yeah, because you guys went down to
no.
Texas
Yeah.
and kind of drove through there. So how far? Frank and Henry aren't that far away from each other, right?
It's 6 hours.
Okay.
So
And
five
you
and
guys-
a half, 6 hours.
You guys drove down there from Kansas City then?
Yeah.
You guys just do a lot of road trips then.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
We love doing that.
when we met out there, you said that you had kind of traveled the coast, the California coast, and traveled all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Sandy just got back from Texas on.
Arizona.
Or no, where were you at? No,
I
just
was
the
in-
other day, a couple days ago.
Oh, yes. I was down in Harlingen.
So she was
That's
back
in
down
Texas?
in the valley,
Wow.
and she went by. She was going to go by the flea market over there, but Henry was closed down.
Oh,
Well, the
They
flea
were-
market is only open on Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday.
oh.
Gotcha.
So we didn't get to see. Well, she was going to go by and just say hello again.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's we just like
Well,
going places and seeing things. And
That's
doing,
how we are. We're the
well,
same
we're
way.
honored that you took the time and
This is
effort
awesome.
to come out here just to deliver these. But man, awesome! Just blown away. Just I would love
I know
them
right
both.
where this is gonna go.
Yeah, very cool. All right, so I guess that's it.
Okay. Sorry.
Let's show them one more time. So these are amazing. Bob and Sandy, we love you guys. Thank you
Love
so
you too.
much.
I love you too.
This amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was It's still kind of, I don't know, just tugs at my heart.
Yeah.
Just
Me too.
seeing it.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised you don't have tears running down your face.
I do. I'm tearing up here, so time to shut the camera off.
Okay. All right, guys. We will
okay.
see you later.
Yeah.
Hope you like this. We probably can't love it as much as we do, but
Yeah, I'm sure the camera is not doing it
No.
justice, for sure.
it's just beautiful.
I love that board
Thank you.
too. All those knots. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We're out. We're done.
Bye bye.
See you next time.